Okay, this is Mahjong tutorial. I'll have to tell you the number once I figure out how to organize this, but I just did Mahjong tutorial 101 and 102, so this could be a 103. And I forgot to tell you the basic terms that you should know. As a retired teacher, I thought that might be something that's something for prerequisite knowledge. The first one will be Pung. Pung means it's three identical files or identical tiles. Like, for example, you would have a three of the same suit. Let me find you something here. For example, this one, by the way, is one bamboo, and one bamboo looks like a bird. Let me switch it over. It looks like a bird on a bamboo. Okay, this is so confusing to new players because that doesn't even look like a bamboo. But we call them in the Philippines pit or little bird. But it's a bird on the bamboo tree. So it's one bamboo. And so if you have two of them and then you get your third one, that's, you say pong. And pong just really means P-O-N-G just means three identical tiles or three of a kind. But what if you only have a pair? So if you have a pair, then you can get your third one to get you pong. You say pong, the verb pong. You say pong, and then they the game will stop right there, and then it's your turn. Even though it's somebody else's turn, but you say pong, stop the game. I'm getting my third one. So when you get your third one, you don't draw, obviously. You get your third one and you throw what you don't need. Okay, everybody can do that. Okay, you can pong anywhere, anytime. But the only thing I want to remind you is do not pong your last pair, because that will be your guard or your eye, they call them. Okay, because on your 16 cards, you're going to have everything set except one pair or one guard. You cannot wait until, you cannot go to your waiting unless you have a pair. So sometimes, you might, everything is a set, but you only have one and you need a pair for that to become a guard. So that's called Popeye. So you'll have two. So you'll end up with your guard, so you finish the game, and you can mahjong, by the way, from anyone. A common misconception I found with my members here in Mahjong Club is that they thought that, well, I could just mahjong for a run, for a consecutive numbers, which is a chow. I could only mahjong when I'm next door. No, you can mahjong from anybody. Okay, so if your card is complete, you're waiting for one thing, it doesn't matter who throw it.